Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy an Apple gift card on your iPhone. First, open the App Store application on your device. Look for your profile picture in the top right corner and tap it. From the menu that appears, choose the option to send gift card by email. This is the starting point for sending a digital gift to someone special or even to yourself for future purchases. Next, you'll customize your gift. You can select from various designs and choose the exact amount you wish to send, such as $25 or $50. Then, enter the recipient's email address and your name. Don't forget to add a personal message. You have up to 100 characters to make it special. This ensures your gift feels thoughtful and unique. Before finalizing, carefully review all the details of your gift card. Double-check the recipient's email, the chosen amount, and your personalized message to ensure everything is accurate. Once you are satisfied, tap the Buy button. You will then be prompted to authenticate your purchase using Face ID or Touch ID, or by entering your passcode for a secure transaction. After your purchase is complete, the digital Apple gift card will be sent directly to the recipient's email address. They can then easily redeem it in the App Store for apps, games, or subscriptions, or use it for purchases at an Apple store. It's a versatile gift for any Apple enthusiast. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.